Good afternoon, everyone. Remember, we are prepared for physics tomorrow, or we are preparing. And I just want to lend my voice as Citadel of Wisdom Heritage School to what is going on with respect to how WAEC want to confuse the students. I won't call it confusion. It's about analysis and preparing our children for the best. Because if children are spoon-fed with the answer before they go into the practical, they won't be able to solve problem with science. Now, I just want to drop a warning for all physics teachers or caution, particularly against electricity. If you notice from what we've been given micrometer screw gauge, rheostat, 1.5 volt cumulator, 1.5 very small. There's a reason for that. Voltmeter, just 2 volts, then milliammeter. Now, from the three and the other ones you can see here, and you have there as a physics teacher. Now, remember that from the history of any practical that has to do with galvanometer, which is the milliammeter here, most of the times, you will be given a jockey to make contact with the potentiometer wire or the meter bridge wire, and or rather, if jockey is not provided, you'll be given a crocodile clip. The jockey is here, of course, you can have it here. Then also crocodile clip. But now, from the question, see it again. No mention, crocodile clip was not made mention of. And then jockey was not made mention of. Now, not only that, meter rule was not made mention of. Then tell me, how are you going to vary length? Number one, food for thought. Number two, how are you going to make contact if you are taking it as a potentiometer or a meter bridge experiment? And this is where you have to pay attention. It might be true, it might not be true. I have not seen the question and I don't plan to see it. All I'm doing is to suggest possible ways and to prepare my children for the worst case scenario. Now, can you think of Ohm's law here? Yes, because you have rheostat. Look at my rheostat here. You have been asked to bring it. I have it here. Now, we have another resistor of 2 ohms, which I have here, though I was in 1 ohm when I was practicing. Now, not only that, they gave you 2 constant wire. That is already a resistor already. And there is a voltmeter. Yes, where's my voltmeter? Here. Voltmeter. Okay, let me pick it. Can you see voltmeter here? And though what I have here is 3, I have a 0 to 2. And here is crocodile clip, which they did not mention. Now, let me tell you. With this alone, Ohm's law experiment is settled. But the question you asked me, there is no ammeter. What is the function of a milliammeter? It's to measure a small amount of current too, apart from detecting the flow of current. That is why you notice that the accumulator is 1.5 volts. Or let me say, could it be the reason why the cell is just 1.5, not 3 volts? Could it be why the voltmeter is also 0.2, very small? Could it be why they give you rheostat so that you could use it to adjust the value of current to any value you like? Look at the galvanometer we are using. This is the range for the one I have, but they say the one, okay, the one they suggest is 200. That tells you. So please prepare them on comparison or comparative analysis between the resistivities of the 2 wires to be provided. That's why they gave you micrometer screw gauge to take what? The diameter. Please, physics teacher, this is an urgent information. Spread it across to all your students. You could still call them tomorrow morning, explain to them, or you send it to their WhatsApp platform to prepare. I can drop the circuit here for you to work with. God bless you. Success.